In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to create free images like the one you see on the screen here. So what you need to do is head over to an internet browser and in the search box type in Bing Create AI and hit enter. Then you need to click on this top search result, the free AI image generator. And what we need to do is use this search box to prompt the AI in creating our image. So you want to be as descriptive as you can in this section. So I'm going to type something like create a HD image of a husky, make the image as realistic as possible. Now obviously you'll need to change this prompt for the type of image that you want to create, and then we can click on the create button. And now just wait a few moments while that goes ahead and generates your AI image. Once it's finished, you'll get all of these examples appear on the screen. Now if you need to make any changes or you want some new images, then we can just adjust the prompt accordingly. I'm just going to type in create a realism photo of a husky and press create. And I'm also going to add make the image look sharper and press create again. So just adjusting that one prompt already looks a lot better. And you just basically need to keep playing around with this until you get the image that you like. If you scroll down, you can see all of your previous images that have been generated. So you can see here, this is one that I created earlier. Create me a realistic HD image of a husky dog that looks like a wolf. And I thought these ones here were really cool. And once you're happy with any of these images, simply select the image like so. Now you can click on customize to make adjustments to this image as well, and that's going to take you over to the Microsoft Designer page, and from here we can change things like the colors and the background. But for now I'm just going to close out of this window. Once you're happy, click on download to download the image to your computer, and as you can see we now have this HD AI generated image, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.